Many people think training is the answer, and sometimes it is. Sometimes what it gives you is a foundation piece of knowledge that enables you to consider, how might this make my life much easier? Yesterday afternoon here in the Cook Islands, I went into a client's site following a day of training where we looked at some advanced concepts in Excel, and we basically sat down and looked at how they applied to their own environment. So the staff already had some questions. How can I apply this to that? And sometimes what you need is a fresh set of eyes to look over your documentation and to say, hey, have you thought about this? Sometimes when you're not in the midst of it, it makes it so much easier to see what's actually going on and what you need to do to fix it. So for this particular person, all she needed was a fresh set of eyes on her spreadsheet. Once I explained to her, try applying this concept with that concept, I could almost see tears in her eyes. She was so excited about the fact that this was going to reduce her workload and it was going to make things more efficient, manage risk, and make her life easier. So what do you need a fresh set of eyes on? Is it an Excel worksheet? Is it a Word document? Is it maybe a letter or a document that you need to think about? You need to consider your words very carefully because of the impact they're going to make. It applies the same to email as well. A fresh set of eyes over an email message rather than just shooting something out only to find out later you regret the content or there's a piece missing that makes you look a little unprofessional. I'd love to know what you do in your organisation to get a fresh set of eyes. And if you don't, maybe it's about time you did. I'm Donna Hanson. If you'd like some help for your team or your organisation in Word and Excel to help you work faster, smarter, more efficient to increase productivity, performance and profits, get in touch. I'd love to have a conversation to see how I can help you and your team work that way.